sorry you got COVID, but this is gonna help you a lot. First of all, sunlight, sunlight, sunlight. As much as you can, especially sunrise and sunset. Get out in the sun at least 15, 20 minutes. Those frequencies of the light really help with circadian rhythm and getting our body back in tune to the normal Chinese medicine system with all the 12 different organs. So make sure you get out in the sun. More importantly, in the morning rather than in the evening, but sunlight definitely. Also, water, your body weight in ounces, from the pounds to ounces. I know it's a lot of water. Usually it's half your body weight, but that's the minimum. When you're sick, you need to further drink more water. Don't feel bad about not eating. There's a lot of solar flares and energies right now, and a lot of appetite has been suppressed, but when you're sick, you need to rest and not eat so much. So don't worry so much about the food. I would definitely get more fruits in, especially berries and oranges if you can. Movement, if you can, do just some light stretches, some light moving around, just moving your body. Immune system as well as fatigue. You can do either side. Take your right hand, put it over your shoulder here. You will feel your bone of your shoulder blade here. And then right here as your neck bends, that's another point. So you need to place your hand here. But before you do, I want you to put your index finger right in the crease and go like this. And this is going to help fatigue as well as boosting your immune system. So do this as much as you can. You can also switch it and do it this way. If this is not comfortable, you can just hold your elbow like this, or you can put your thumb in there and go like this. The whole point is to get around this part of your elbow. So 2 to 5 minutes. If you can do it longer, do it longer. This will help the fatigue and boost your immune system. So you can't overdo self-care. So you can do this as much as you want. So again, this move. And then for the dizziness, right here, the little bump here, you can just hold these fours. And you can do this laying down as well. So that's a good one for dizziness. Another one you can do for dizziness is you're going to have your left hand and it's going to go on your neck and right here. So just spread all your hand here. So you're reaching your neck here and this point here. And then you want to take your right hand and go on your right side, 21, your cheekbone. And this also will help with dizziness. So do this either side, 2 to 5 minutes. And for the cough, real easy, both elbows, just like this. You can go a little bit higher if this is more comfortable, but just your elbows. And remember, the safety energy lock is the size of your palm. So whether you're putting one finger down, just the tips, or your whole hand, you're still getting this area here. So that's the more important part. So this would be for coughing. This will help bring you back into harmony, but also working with breath, doing your 36 breaths. You can still hold each finger. That's another good one too. But getting out in the sun and doing this further enhances it more. So best of luck to you. I know you're going to get better. So just do these little tips and you'll get better.